Hello, so I'm doing the NYX advent calendar, and I'm gonna do a video for every single day of it, hopefully. Just using whichever product I get, just in a really quick, like, mini, testing it out, whatever, and just doing a little look with it. So today I got a highlighter. I'm gonna show you how I did this look, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Alright, so this is hopefully the first of 24 days in a row of mini little makeup tutorial type things. So for Christmas and for Advent, I have the NYX Advent calendar. It's upstairs, but this is today's. So I was thinking every day I just film a short little thing that's using the product, showing what it is, how good it is, with already like having all my base makeup done and it not being like a full thing, just a quick little thing. Anyway, so today we have so today we have a highlighter. It's in the shade Pop and Rock, and it looks really white when you just look at it, but in reality, if you can kind of tell, it took me a while to realize until I got into like natural sunlight, it's like a holographic purple, and it looks like absolutely nothing on my hand. I don't know if you can kind of, it's holographic purple, I swear. But it is really nice. I wanted to swatch it next to the Moonchild palettes purples and see how it held up. So this is the next one, and then these are the two kind of purpley shades in the Moonchild palette. So I mean, they are all different. This is more of a lilac, whereas this seems more blue, and this seems more, I guess, also more of a lilac, but more icy, more dusty. So yeah, I kind of want to do a bit of a reddish look, something a bit more festive, a little Christmassy. Yeah, I'm gonna grab my Modern Renaissance palette and do something red. I think I'm just gonna start with Burnt Orange, which is that guy there, and just kind of build up a base of color in my crease, just using the brush that's in the palette. Alright, so there's the first layer. Looks a little bit more brown in person, and a little bit more orange on camera. But either way, it's a warm brown. I think let's do Venetian Red, which is this like dark magenta. It's called, it goes more red on the skin, but it's in between pink and red. My bangs are getting too long for my face. Just taking the smaller side of the brush that comes with the palette and just kind of packing on the color a bit more. Just with the leftover on this brush, just gonna bring it under the waterline just a bit. There's some in my eyeball. I try not to put too much under my lash line. I feel like it very quickly looks a little grungy, which isn't a bad look, but not necessarily Christmas look. So I just try and bring it to like there. I'm gonna take just this like base light shade called Tempera and just kind of go over the inner area, patting it on with my finger. And then to grab our highlighter, and hopefully purple goes with red, and just put out my finger. I could use a brush, but I always use highlighter with my finger because I just want to pack it on. You can kind of see it. You can see that it's a highlighter, but you, like in person I can tell it's purple, and I think holographic shades are really terrible for showing up on camera. But maybe if I you can tell it's highlighter, but not really seeing the purple. I'll try using a little brush. Try this little Luxie brush, small shader. It's the one that came in an Ipsy bag a few months ago. And sometimes it's nice for picking up a lot. Trying to like actually get into my inner corner because I've got this little fold here, so I never know where I'm actually supposed to put my highlighter. In person, you can tell it's a little purple. But like, just like the Moonchild palette, like a holographic purple. But I think it's cute. I don't find myself reaching for too many colored highlighters. Then again, once I got my let me grab it. Once I got this bad boy, I don't really use any other highlighters for the most part, just because the Kat Von D ones are so glittery. And I really enjoy glittery highlight. Like if I'm wearing highlighter, I want you to see it. I don't know. So I do like other ones, but this is usually what I reach for. This or the white shade in the Kat Von D Saint Sinner palette, because that's still the same like glittery highlight. Let's try just popping this. I've already like dented it with my nail. Just a little bit. Try just like packing this on the cheeks, which it's not bad, though I do have a small concern with, like, obviously, like when you cover up foundation, when you cover up like acne with foundation without like color corrector or anything, like it kind of turns all these marks like a little purpley. I think this brings it out. There's so much packed on my finger. Let's try it with a brush, just to see if it does any better. This is just a fluffy e.l.f. blending brush. Yeah, no better that way. I don't know. It's nice. It's illuminating for sure. I just wish it showed up more on camera how purple it was. I am gonna blend it out on my cheekbones a little bit because I feel like it's bringing out the purple in my covered up acne a little too much, which I think you can see it. But yeah, I think overall it's like other NYX highlights, would be really good for someone who doesn't wear a lot of like colored highlights or things that can be a bit more like out there and bold. This is good intro to that, which makes sense because you're trying to make an advent calendar that makes everyone happy. And I'm sure there's some colors in there that people are going to be like, I'm never going to wear this, this is too colorful, and I'm going to be like, hell yeah. And yeah, it's really nice, it's really pretty. I think it does a good job of comparing to like the Anastasia highlighters, or at least the one palette I have. And yeah, I think it's a good little guy, and I'm excited to do little looks with each and every single one of them, and hopefully I can get them out on time, because I'm gonna make this really quick and speed through it. And I'm going to finish off the look, and I'll come back to you to say goodbye. Alright, so here's the final look. My bangs are kind of in the way. I used these lashes. I don't have the box. They are Kiss number 11 though. And they're a pretty nice natural lash. And for eyeliner, I used the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and what's the other one? Maybelline Master Precise Maybelline. This one's felt tip and the Kat Von D one is like a brush tip, so I kind of do like the outline in one and then just like touch up the other with Kat Von D one because it's really handy and it like puts out like a lot of like liquid, so you can touch up everything really easily. And then I think the only other thing I did was lips, which is the Kat Von D Lolita, so Lolita 1. Just think it complements the color really well. And yeah, I think this look was a success. I dig the highlighter. Yeah, I hope you guys have a good December 1st. I'm gonna go to a Christmas parade today. And yeah. Alright, bye.